Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your business growth with GrowthHackers, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, visit the GrowthHackers website to create an account. Click on the sign up button in the top right corner. Fill in your details, including your name, email, and password. Make sure to confirm your email after registration to activate your account. Once logged in, explore the community section to connect with other professionals. Check out the latest posts and insights shared by growth experts. Use the search bar to find specific topics or challenges you want to address in your business. Join relevant groups where you can ask questions and share experiences. Next, navigate to the Projects section to create a new initiative. Outline your business goals clearly to keep your focus aligned. Add team members to collaborate on this project for diverse perspectives. Utilize the experiment feature to brainstorm and track growth strategies. Document each experiment, noting what works and what doesn't. Regularly analyze the results to identify patterns and insights. Leverage the available resources, such as case studies and webinars, for further learning. Implement successful strategies into your business model. Engage with feedback from the community to refine your approach. Finally, stay consistent in following trends and adapting your strategies. By using GrowthHackers effectively, you can drive sustainable growth for your business. Keep your focus on continuous learning and experimentation for the best results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.